Mini drones are small, lightweight crewless aerial vehicles that can be operated remotely by a pilot or autonomously through pre-programmed flight paths. These drones are becoming increasingly popular due to their compact size, affordability, and versatility. Mini drones are becoming more sophisticated, offering features such as obstacle avoidance. In this video, we break down the 5 best mini drones in the market. You can find the purchase link all over the products mentioned in this video down in the description below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. Number 1, DJI Mini 3 Pro. The DJI Mini 3 Pro, weighing less than 249 g, Mini 3 Pro doesn't require registration in most countries and regions. The foldable and compact design makes it easy to carry on any adventure. It captures your world in remarkable detail with 4K/60 FPS video and 48MP photos. The advanced camera system supports dual native ISO and f/1.7 aperture for high-quality imagery, night and day. The redesigned DJI Mini 3 Pro offers true vertical shooting for portrait shots, ideal for social media. The gimbal rotates 90, so you don't have to compromise image quality. Enjoy an extended flight of up to 34 minutes and capture and explore more of your surroundings. DJI Mini 3 Pro features tridirectional obstacle sensing and APS 4.0, bringing unrivaled safety to the Mini series. DJI Mini 3 Pro offers an extensive range of intelligent features, including focus track, true vertical shooting, master shots, time-lapse, quick transfer, and more. Number 2, DJI Mini 2. The DJI Mini 2 measures less than 249 g, weighs about as much as an apple, and fits in the palm of your hand. Compact and convenient, this small drone is your ideal travel companion, transforming how you capture your favorite memories. It has a 12MP camera in the sky, delivering content guaranteed to impress. Along with a 4K/30 FPS video and a 3-axis motorized gimbal, Mini 2 ensures stunning, consistently smooth image quality no matter how adventurous your piloting gets. This Mini 2 supports up to 10 kilometers of HD video transmission and has excellent anti-interference capabilities, allowing you to fly farther and see clearer. It has a maximum battery life of 31 minutes, and DJI Mini 2 grants enough time to compose the perfect shot. Mini 2 can resist level 5 winds and take off at a max altitude of 4,000 meters, so your footage is stable even when flying along a windy coastline or high above an alpine forest. Number 3, DJI Mavic Mini. The DJI Mavic Mini comes with many of DJI's innovative features and is an extremely well-designed drone. The Mavic Mini has a foldable structure and is very lightweight. When it's folded up, it can fit in the palm of your hand. It comes with powerful brushless motors that provide a smooth flying experience and make it go faster. The main feature of the drone is its stunning 2.7K camera that will allow you to shoot near professional quality videos and images. It's stabilized by an advanced 3-axis gimbal so that the videos and images are distortion-free, smooth, and crystal clear. DJI developed a completely new app for this drone, which is easy to use and comes with features that allow you to edit your videos and images and share them to your social media accounts. With a flight time of around 30 minutes, it has one of the longest flight times of any consumer drone. Number 4, DJI Ryze Tello. The DJI Ryze Tello is a very small drone, but unlike many DJI drones, it is not a foldable drone, but that doesn't matter as it is another very lightweight drone and is easy to carry around. Considering its price, it comes with a decent 720p HD camera with a wide-angle view and lets you record videos and images of very good quality. It has a feature called Easy Shots that will allow you to fly the drone in certain ways and still shoot videos and images without needing to control it. If you like computer programming or would like your kids to learn it in a fun way, the DJI Tello drone will allow you to do this. You can code how the drone flies with an easy-to-use program called Scratch, developed by MIT and very fun to learn. The drone is also compatible with VR headsets for a more immersive flying experience, with a flight time of around 13 minutes. Number 5, DJI Mini SE. The DJI Mini SE weighs less than 0.55 pounds/249 grams. DJI Mini SE is roughly the same weight as the smartphone. This lightweight and powerful DJI Mini SE camera drone is ideal for creators on the move. The ultra-portable design allows you to capture moments effortlessly in unforgettable ways. DJI Mini SE's weight allows it to stay in the air longer than similar consumer drones. Enjoy up to 30 minutes of flight time with a fully charged battery. DJI Mini SE supports 12MP aerial photos and 2.7K HD videos. A 3-axis motorized gimbal provides superior camera stability and ensures clear ultra-smooth footage. DJI Mini SE can resist 29 to 38 km/h winds in takeoff at a max altitude of 4,000 meters, so your footage is stable even when flying along a windy coastline or high above an alpine forest. The DJI Fly app offers a variety of creator templates that generate awesome videos with just a tap. Thanks for watching this video. Please remember to leave a like and subscribe to our channel to see more videos like this in the future. And if you have any questions related to the products we listed here, leave a comment down below and I will get back to you as soon as I can.